What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from Adventure Island, and today is a special day as it's media day for Solar Vortex. There's a lot to see and do. Let's go!
Got millions of shots.
I don't.
No?
Not for regular. I barely do coasters, but I've like actually.
So here is part of the queue for Solar Vortex. You can see a lot of switchbacks, but a really nice close view of the water slide right here. And here we can see GoPros are allowed, but you have to have a chest or a wrist mount in order to do the attraction.
Oh, it has overspill there.
This thing is massive.
Let me know if I'm
o la espalda, personas que padecen de claustrofobia, mujeres embarazadas que han dado a luz. Please exit the runoff systems taking the left switches. Thank you for enjoy your ride on Solar Vortex. Durante el transcurso del paseo. Poder sujetarse a la balsa. Se permite el uso de chalecos salvavidas. Hay un mínimo de 2
Life vests are permitted.
I'm going backwards.
There is a minimum of 2 riders per
Yeah, I'm
raft
going
and a
backwards.
maximum of 4 riders per raft. Thank you, and enjoy your ride on Solar Vortex.
Solar Vortex es un paseo familiar en balsa a alta velocidad a través de un tobogán acuático parcialmente cerrado en el que hay 2 pulgadas de estatura para poder experimentar este paseo y poder sujetarse a la mayor a 200 libras y no debe exceder las 550 que contiene de 10 a 12 pulgadas de agua. Bájese rápidamente de la balsa y llévese la balsa
And several aqualescent effects during the course of the ride. All riders must be at least 42 inches tall to ride, and there is a minimum of 2 riders per raft and a maximum of 4 riders per raft. The maximum weight of any rider cannot exceed 3. Please secure eyeglasses, jewelry, and hats before entering the ride. Remember to hold on to the handles and remain.
máximo de cualquier ocupante no debe exceder las 300 libras. El peso mínimo combinado por balsa completamente sentado con la espalda apoyada contra la balsa durante todo el trayecto. El paseo desenvolvemente y personas con discapacidades físicas no experimenten esta atracción. Capacidades físicas no experimenten esta atracción. Guarde sus anteojos, joyas y sombreros antes de ingresar a esta atracción. Recuerde se permite el uso de chalecos salvavidas.
Alrighty guys, so we're about to do Solar Vortex for the first time as we scoot on through. Picking up some speed right now. Big enclosed portion. Whoa, here we go for the spin. And now it's really picking up some speed. Oh, wow. Colors are amazing, bright. Love it. It really gives a whole different dynamic to the slide here. This thing is so pretty. And here we go. Looks like we're about to go into another tailspin. Woohoo! Awesome. Big enclosed portion. Uh-oh, here comes the splashdown. Couple dips, and here we go. Woo! Very nice. So that was a fun slide. Solar Vortex here at Adventure Island. Great family attraction. Good speed, but the lights inside the slide, really amazing, guys. Adventure Island's got a hit.
Eddie, let's do this.
It's a lot different going backwards.
Is it?
Yeah.
What do you like better?
I don't know.
Oh, this is cool.
Isn't it pretty?
Yeah.
Yeah, I love this part.
Nice calm ride.
Woo!
A little faster on the tailspin. And the splash.
Solar Vortex is America's first dual tailspin water slide. It's a high thrill ride, but it's also a family ride. It's got a low height requirement, and it has two unique features that we're really excited about. The two tailspins are the two open air bowl elements that you see. This is the fastest portion of the ride. Riders will come in one side, bank around the turn, then shoot out the other. And then between the two tailspins is an aqualucent section that's completely unique to Adventure Island. This aqualucent section is an enclosed portion of the ride where sunlight shines through the slide to create these colorful, unique patterns and shapes for riders to ride through. The tailspins are a lot faster than they look from the outside. The tailspins are great. There's two ways you can ride the ride, where you're facing down or whether your back is to the, if you're going down backwards. Both create unique experiences. The tailspins are a lot faster than they look on the outside. On top of that, the aqualucent section, it shines a lot brighter than it appears from the outside. The outside, you see the shapes. The inside is where it really pops. Solar Vortex is important to this part because of the plethora of rides that we have here. We looked at all the different rides. We have thrill rides, we have family rides, we have pools, and we wanted to add to our arsenal and show that Solar Vortex is a family ride. So it's like I said earlier, it's a thrill ride, but it's also a family ride with a low height requirement of 42 inches.
Okay, yeah, from my perspective, this is a perfect attraction for our guests. We already have a really diverse set of rides and attractions here and experiences, and this adds just the perfect flavor. This ride has some pretty unique elements in it, and I think it's a great combination of those elements. Yeah.
Is there anything that's really unique to this slide?
Yeah, I personally like the tailspins. The aqualucent is a fantastic visual experience. The tailspins are a little bit surprising. It's a very unique element for a circular raft to navigate through. And as a water park fan, I really appreciated that the first time I rode it.
Now, they have a heck of a collection here already with Adventure Island.
Yes.
Where does this fit in?
I think this fits in our family range of attractions. So yes, we have the high thrilling vantage point that is right behind you. This is a little bit lower scale with the thrill factor, but I mean, I've seen some children get off this already, and the look on their faces, I think we nailed it here. I'm excited. It means a lot. It means a lot. As a human being, I mean, you put a lot of work and effort into this, and to see it all come together, and everything else we've been doing behind the scenes to improve the guest journey, all around the park, I hope you've noticed today, but we've been doing a lot of work the last few months to really show improvement. So it actually means a ton to people like me that are involved in the park every day. Yeah. I want this to be a great attraction for a family to get off of together. So we have rides sometimes that families kind of split up. You know, maybe someone doesn't want to ride Vantage Point. It's a little bit too thrilling for them. I really do think this ride can keep the family together, and the entire thing can create a memory together. I see that happening with this attraction.
Well, guys, that's going to do it for our video here from Adventure Island for Solar Vortex. I had an absolute blast. The slide is a ton of fun. Kiddos are going to absolutely love it. And of course, hopefully we'll be back here for more updates. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.